Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a claw clip hairstyle, you guys. This hairstyle I feel like is gonna come out super duper cute. But before we jump into today's video, be sure you hit that subscribe button down below, turn post notifications on, girl, give the video a thumbs up, join the fam, okay? Stick around for all the other hair tutorials to come. So we're getting ready to start off on my hair. This video is taking place the next day after I took out that human hair crochet braid style. If you guys have not seen that style and you want to know more about it, maybe I'll pop a picture on the screen so y'all can see what it was giving, because it was very much giving, okay? I will link it in the description box down below for you guys so y'all can go check that one out as well after you're done this video. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. So you guys can see I just have my hair up in this little puff, and we're about to go ahead and wash. Actually detangle first, wash with shampoo, and then deep condition, and then jump into the claw clip style. So the reason I'm doing this is because I'm trying out some new products today. So we are going to be using, this video is not sponsored by the way, they did send me this in PR. Guys, definitely be sure to follow me on TikTok at India Ajay. I'll put it across the screen and link it in the description box for you guys as well. Okay, we lit on TikTok, baby. All things beauty, hair, makeup, body care, girl tips, all that kind of stuff. So here are the products. We have the Hydrate Repair. This is the conditioner. These products are by Vegamour. We have the Hydrate shampoo. And then lastly, we have the deep conditioner. Okay, so these products are supposed to be really, really great for hydration. So they contain a product called keratin, which is supposed to be a derivative of keratin. So I know I've told you guys before that I want to get a keratin treatment on my natural hair. The keratin treatment is basically, I believe, like extreme protein that's just gonna give moisture to your hair, hydrate it, and help it not to frizz up. So because this has the keratin in it, it's supposed to help to do the same thing. So I want to try these products out today since I'm gonna be having, all of my hair left out really, except for the little ponytail in the back. So I'm excited to try these products. This deep conditioner is really small. This is only 5 ounces. You guys can see this is a really small jar, so I will probably end up using this whole jar today. So if it's really good, I'll have to go buy another jar, but I'll have plenty of shampoo and conditioner. So what I normally do is start off by conditioning my hair first when I detangle. So what I'm gonna do is actually just go ahead and put my whole head under water, get it completely saturated, and then I'm gonna come back and start applying this deep conditioner. So I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, so now my hair is completely wet. I'm gonna start, no particular way, girl. I normally just start in the back and just get a section. I'm just gonna, ooh, it smells good. So I'm just gonna finger detangle, super easy. I really just wanted to show you guys the consistency of the product. I'm just gonna go through and detangle all of my hair like this, and then go over it with a wide tooth comb. And then I will come back and let you guys know what I think about this conditioner in this first step. All the conditioner in, my hair feels really good. This product smells really nice. It kind of smells like, I wanna say like lemon verbena, but like not strong. I don't know, it smells really good. It has made my hair super soft. Y'all can see I've only finger detangled, and now I'm just kind of going through with my wide tooth comb. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out, and then I'm gonna wash my hair with the shampoo, and then I'll come back and we'll test out the deep conditioner. I'm done shampooing. My hair feels, honestly, I feel like it looks really nice. Like, do y'all see like the close-up? It looks really shiny, and I don't know, it looks really good. It feels a little stripped, but I'm not mad at that. So I don't mind that, you know, with the shampoo, as long as I feel like the deep conditioner gives it back, you know? So I'm trying to see, let's go ahead and do 4 sections. I am planning to probably use this whole jar, but I mean, we'll see. So it's very thick. I'm just gonna start applying it. All the deep conditioner is in. This is all I have left. So basically I did use the whole thing as I kind of figured, because normally when I have the 8 ounce, like the regular size jars of deep conditioner, I end up using half. So that makes sense. This is 5 ounces. I ended up using about 4 ounces, the same amount of ounces I would have used in my other jar. So yeah, we'll see if we really like this. Girl, if I really like this, I'll have to get another one. But it feels really nice on my hair. Everything is detangled and all, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my grocery bag on, okay? And probably let it sit for like an hour. And then after I do that, I'll come back and then we'll get started actually doing the leave-in, the gel, and all of that to mold the hair for the claw clip. Okay, y'all, it's been about an hour, slightly over an hour. So let's see how it's looking. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out, and I'm gonna use we're done with the towel. I'm gonna be using this old cotton t-shirt. Cotton t-shirts are really great because they help to decrease frizz. So definitely be sure you use one, especially in like your last step when you're done the deep conditioner and you know, you're done with water and all that kind of stuff. Definitely be sure to use the t-shirt. So I actually didn't even use the t-shirt because I forgot I'm leaving my hair out. I'm not about to braid it up or anything. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend, you guys. Let me just do a close-up. My hair feels so good. It feels so soft. It feels so moisturized. Like looking at it here in the mirror, like it doesn't look dry at all. Like it looks so good and it feels so good. It's detangled. Like I can just slide my fingers right through it. Like I love it. I absolutely love it. This is the first impression. Like y'all know this is my first time using the product. I am obsessed. I will be buying the deep conditioner again. I don't know the prices of any of these products, but I will look them up and I'll probably link the products in the description box or at least put it across the screen or something for y'all so y'all can know, because baby, yeah. They do say it's for all hair types, but you know, girl, they always be like everything is for all hair types, but you know, natural girls, we're a little different. So the fact that this can be used on natural hair and it really gives these results, I would say my hair is somewhere around 4A. I got some 4B like in here. My sides though are kind of like 3C maybe, and maybe even the middle, like my hair might be like a little more 3C, it's looser, but then like kind of 4A on the side. So mostly my hair is type 4. Mostly, for the most part, it's type 4. Maybe a few small sections of like type 3, kind of like right down this middle part here. But yeah, girl, be for real. Be for real, like it feels, I highly recommend it. I don't have anything bad to say about the products. Everything worked amazingly. I love the packaging. I don't know if you guys, if I showed y'all good enough or not, but there is a hole right here and it's just a twist. So you just twist it and then you squeeze it out into your hand. I love that. The best thing about this packaging is, although it's a tube, this is kind of like malleable, and it's like matte. So it doesn't, although you have to squeeze it, you know, sometimes with the squeeze bottle, if the packaging is kind of like shiny and stuff, it's like hard, like the bottle keeps slipping out of your hand. You don't have any problems with that. So love that, love the packaging. It's super pretty, it smells good, it works. So I definitely recommend this. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to applying my leave-in, my gel. Go ahead, slick down my hair and do this claw clip style. Originally, I was going to make this all one video, but I just decided let's do a part 1 and a part 2. Because I don't want you guys to, you know, you're not really interested in the products, or you just want to get to the claw clip or whatever. So we're gonna make this 2 parts. So this part will likely go up on Tuesday. So this will be the kind of like first impressions review of these Vegamour products on type 4 natural hair. And then Thursday, I will put up the part 2 of this, which will be the claw clip tutorial, how to do it, the products I used on freshly washed hair and all of that. So yes, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. These products are bomb. I know I rarely do like first impression products, especially things on natural hair, but 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Okay, I highly recommend that you guys give it a try, and I will be purchasing more when I run out, because this is probably gonna be my new shampoo and conditioner, because let's be for real. Let's be for real. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come back to the channel for part 2 in 2 days, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!